What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here, and in today's video we're going to be doing a tailgate handle replacement. So we have the 02 Chev. If you haven't checked out that video, you're like, what the heck is this thing? We have an 02 Chev 2500 HD. Like I said, in what we were talking about, this was one of the things I needed to change because it just doesn't work. Kind of works, but doesn't. So we're gonna change this out, but I gotta get this tailgate plate off first. But I'll show you what's going on, why it doesn't work. So if you look in here, the little clip that goes into that latch here broke off. So I got a whole new handle here. We're gonna switch that out real quick and I'll show you how to do it. So I got the new tailgate handle here. Comes with the new clips that I need. We're gonna change the whole thing out because this is nice, shiny, and not rusty. Also came with tailgate bezel. So we got that too. So first thing I'm gonna want to do is I'm gonna want to try to release or get the tailgate released on the latches. Like that. So it's released, but it's not opening. So what I want to do is there's that little clip there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. I want to release that clip from the rod. You see that there? So we're in there. See if I can get this thing at least. Either that or I'm going to break it. Okay, so I got that loose. You just swing it off to the side. And then we're gonna release the rod. There we go. Same with the other side, but mine, like I said, mine's broken, so it's the same release method. Just push down and turn it back, and it'll spin freely. Same on that one. So, okay, there we go. So now we have these screws right here. These are T Torx bits. I've seen some come with 10mm bolts. We might switch to that. I'm not sure yet though. We'll see how these do. I'm just gonna get these loose. Alright, so we got both of those out. We're gonna set those to the side. I should be able to lift this tailgate plate off now. Alright, so there's one more bolt here. I believe that's maybe a 10mm or 13mm. I have to check, but let me get up. So it is indeed a 13mm socket. So we'll just get that pulled out. And there's the old latch. This is probably, I'm gonna guess this isn't original. This probably broke once before, I guarantee it. I'm not seeing any GM marks on it, so I think this was changed once before. So put that off to the side. We're gonna grab our new one. We're gonna slip that back up in there. Now that we got the new handle, we're gonna slip this up in there. And I'd almost want the tailgate open for this, so I'm gonna try to see here. And I'm gonna grab the main bolt, the 13mm bolt. Just gonna loosely thread. So I'm gonna tighten down loosely. Pretty dead center. So I'm going to tighten this down because we're going to put the, oh, see, I tightened it too much. And then back. I'll tighten that down. So that's good there. So that's tight. Now I want to get my tailgate plate back on. So tailgate plate's back on. Now we're going to take our existing Torx head bolts. We're just going to hand tighten those in there. Make sure you're lined up. Okay, those are tightened up now. So let's go to the other, get this tailgate up and we'll show you how to reconnect it. I still got to get this green clip off here because I need to put it in the new one. I forgot about that. There we go. So that's off. As you guys can see, that I need to get that rod into there, so I'm going to do that real quick. Maybe push that rod in there. So now we got that rod pushed in there. We're just gonna clip it. There we go, clipped in. So let me do the other side real quick. That red side. There. So those both are clicked in now. The green side and the red side are both clicked in. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, there we go. That works out well. Watch them. Oh yeah, both are releasing. Perfect, that's what we want. So now, all that's left is the tailgate vessel. And on the back side, there's, if you look here on the bottom, there's just these little tabs here that go into these holes. There's one hole on each side. What it does is it, I'm gonna slip them in first. You know what? You want to take these little tape ends off first. So take these little tape ends off first, and then slip it in, because they got little bumpers here that are double-sided. So we're down in there. There we go. That's it. Tailgate handle and plate installed. Our tailgate handle and bezel installed. And it works. Fits like eBay, but whatever. It'll work. These are only like $11 off eBay, so. Alrighty, well guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you install a tailgate handle on a Chevy Silverado. Probably 99 to 07, classic body style. So I definitely want to thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to this channel if this video helped. Give the video a like if it helped you as well too. And stay tuned. You're gonna want to subscribe to the channel because we got a lot more things to do. This 02 Chevy HD 2500, 6.0 gasser 4-wheel drive. So definitely stay tuned. We're gonna make this truck really, really nice when we're done with her. So definitely subscribe. So thanks guys for watching. Have a good night or day or whenever you're watching. Thanks guys. Bye.